Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. Then here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.